Adams clasp was introduced by Philip Adams in the year 1949. Two arrowheads, bridge, and two retened arms are the parts of Adams clasp. The other synonyms of this clasp are modified arrowhead clasp, universal clasp, and Liverpool clasp. Adams plier, Young's universal plier, hardware cutter, enamel chisel, and marking pencil are the armamentarium required for the fabrication of Adams clasp. In the case of partially erupted teeth, if the proximal undercuts are not visible due to papilla coverage, you should prepare in the plaster cast using a sharpened enamel chisel so as to get access to the proximal undercuts. Then the next step is marking of proximal undercuts. The arrowheads of the clasp should engage these undercuts for getting adequate retention. The next step is bridge length determination. The bridge length can be decided by either of the two criteria. The first one is the intercuspal distance. The second one, 2 by 3rd of the total mesiodistal width of clinical crown. Take an adequate length of 0.7 mm stainless steel wire and transfer the length of the bridge as marked in the cast to the wire in the center portion. After marking, we are going for arrowhead fabrication. The first bend is little more than right angle. Two such bends are made which are connected by a bridge. The second bend is made in two stages of 90° each. The wire is first bent at right angles. The next 90° bend given by bending outside the player's beak. This way a 180° U-turn bend given and this forms the arrowheads. Then use cues the arrowheads with player beaks and adjust the slope of arrowheads to follow the gingival margin. Then the third bend. The arrowhead is grasped from the inside of the clasp with the half the length of arrowhead between the beaks of players. The tag is then bent firmly upwards using thumb and bend continued until the tag is at little less than 90° to the arrowhead. And this half bend is called $1 million bend. Then the tag arm is bent, passing through the groove between the marginal ridges of the teeth. Any necessary adjustments are made and second tag is bent in a similar way. The clasp is completed by bending the tags over the contact point between the two teeth into the lingual embrasure and then to bend the wire slightly away from the palatal mucosa. The checkpoints for a good Adams clasp are: the bridge should be straight and have a clearance from the teeth and gums. The arrowhead should be parallel. The tag should fit closely across the contact point